Standard 2nd, Grammar, chapter number 4, Jumble Sentences. Here, see there. Read the group of words given below. Here they have given some sentences. Words are given, but we have to find that either it is correct, it makes sense, or does not make any sense. A bicycle Reena riding is. With the chicks mother hen is. These two sentences does not make any sense. See this here they have written. This group of words does not have any sense. You can see this here it is group of words and it does not make any sense. They do not make any sense, they have written here. Now read the group of words given below. Now these group of words they have jumbled in the proper sentences. They have written that Reena is riding a bicycle. Now you understand that what she is doing? What Reena is doing? Reena is riding a bicycle. Second is with the chick mother hen is. That you don't understand, but now if you will read then you can understand that mother hen is with the chick. So these two sentences is a complete sense, make complete sense. These words makes the complete sense. These two A and B. These two does not make any sense, but these two words, a group of words make a sense. These words when arranged in order make complete sense. They form a sentence. Means here they are given jumbled words and we have to arrange it in the proper form and we have to make a proper sentence. I am keeping this video near so you can able to see this, and I hope that so many of you have purchased new book also from the school. So open this page while I am while you are watching this video, so it is easy for you to understand. Here first is given that sail on the ship the sea. Now whenever you write this, you have to read this heading first, that arrange the words to form sentence. We have to arrange these words to form a sentence, but whenever you start to write these, at that time you have to begin with the capital letter. Here they have written that begin each sentence with a capital letter. Each sentence you have to start from the capital letter and put a question mark or full stop at the end. If you if this sentence starts with WH, as I told in previous chapter that it starts with WH, it means it is a asking question. So at that time in last you have to make a question mark, but in the remaining others you have to put full stop. Here you can see that sails on the ship the sea, means it does not make any sense, but afterwards if we will jumble these words and make a sentence, then you see the ship sails on the sea. You can see this. I am keeping this video near so you can able to see this clearly. Second is flies an aeroplane in the air. We have to correct this sentence and we have to write that an aeroplane flies in the air, and after that in the last you have to put full stop. You can see that small dot is there. Here also small dot is there. So you have to put full stop after completing this sentence. In third number, your house where is. Here you can see that WH it is there, means first it will come. So first letter must be capital and you have to write where is your house, and it is asking question. So in last you have to put question mark. I am keeping this video for few seconds. So if you want to take a screenshot of these, then also you can take it easily. It is chapter number 4, jumble sentences. I am showing you the remaining sentence also on the backside page. Next page. Now I am turning back. 4. The pram is the baby crying in. It does not make any sense. Now we have to jumble this and we have to write the proper answer. The baby is crying in the pram. The baby is crying in the pram. I am speaking this, but if you are facing any problem in this my handwriting, then you can write it from correct spelling from this question. I am showing you the baby is crying in the pram. Already it is every word it is written in the question. So if you are not able to read my handwriting, then you can read it from, and as I am speaking, you have to find it out that where I am speaking and you have to write in the answer. Set on the end the leaf. So correct answer is First you have to write capital. Don't forget to write first letter capital. The ant sat on the leaf, and you have to put full stop. Again I am repeating that whenever you will see that it starts with WH, at that time you have to put question mark, otherwise it will come full stop. Now I will come to 6 number. Bring the postman letters. The postman brings letters. The postman brings letters. 7 number. Beautiful is country my. So it does not make any sense, but now we have to speak that my country is beautiful. In 7 number you have to go from back side to front side. Beginning. See, first you have to write from back side. My country is beautiful, and in last you have to write full stop. A toy car has he. He has a toy car. You have to begin with capital. He has a toy car, and afterwards you have to put full stop. A good John is boy. So first letter capital. John is a good boy, and last you have to put full stop. Again I am repeating. John is a good boy. 10 number. Should we country our love? Again you have to start with capital letter. First letter must be capital, and afterwards you have to write that we should love our country. We should love our country, and afterwards you have to put full stop. 11 number. Sings a song C. She sings a song. Again I am repeating. She sings a song, and afterwards you have to put full stop. And in last 12 number. Are what eating you? What are you eating? What are you eating? And afterwards you have to put question mark.